If you think that shawarma is all about buying it on the street, wait till you see this. At the end of today's video, you will be able to make your own tortilla wraps at home. Let's go. So in a clean bowl, you add in your 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix that all up. Mix thoroughly, and it's time to go in with your water. We'll be making use of 1/4 cup of water, room temperature water, but you have to add in little by little. Okay, you should be careful with the water, and then knead a little bit, just a little kneading here and there. It's a very tiny piece of dough, so it doesn't need much work, but you have to struggle because it looks tiny. So aren't you curious how many wraps we are going to get from just 1 cup of flour? Keep watching, you're going to find out later. So if you're new here, this is me saying a very big welcome to you. This has been a very long journey for us. 30 days is not 30 seconds, it's not 30 minutes. So we've been on this journey for the past 30 days, and so far so good. We've come this far, and happy birthdays in advance can keep coming in. Thank you guys. So here we have to divide our dough into 4 parts and make a ball out of that and start rolling. Okay, you like to roll it as thin as possible. You like to roll out the tips really well, and even the middle part of that dough, you like to roll it out pretty well. And I'm going to demonstrate, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like to allow your dough retract. So what I'm trying to do here is to join the dough together, like cut it into 3 parts, since the 4 parts looks tiny, like too tiny to work with. So that's what I did. I finally have to divide it into 3 different places, and this is our first one. Looking at the middle of this, you will notice that it is too thick. It is too thick, and it's burnt. It was burnt to an extent that it cannot really fold the way you like it. It will actually fold, but it's not just giving the, I don't know how to put it, but honestly you're not going to like it. Then this is our second one. You see how finely and thinly rolled out it is. Very, very light. You can see how light and almost transparent. I think you're going to like the second one. You're going to prefer yours like this. So you have to do yours exactly like this, so that you can get the result that I got from this one. Actually, the second one is my best one. It looks better, it rolls better. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you going to give this a try? Do you think this is worth your time? Is it worth your data? Let me know in the comments. And for my OGs that always come back to watch every single day, this is me giving you your flowers. Thank you so much. I appreciate your effort, your support. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.